Is in spite of and despite are same or different? Let's find out. Both are prepositions. Both mean even though or regardless of. They are synonyms and yes, you can use them interchangeably. In spite of is three-word prepositional phrase. Despite is one word, but the meaning is the same. Both are used to show contrast between the what is expected and a different outcome. Let's see an example in a tail form.
Ria woke up with a fever and a heavy head. Her mother said,
You should rest today.
but in spite of her sickness, Ria went to school. She wrote her exam carefully. When the results came, her name was at the top of the list. And everyone said, despite being sick, she still stood first.
So remember, in spite of and despite have the same power. Follow Venus Voice for more updates.